turn your struggle into success. Weight loss just doesn't have to be an impossible task.
That's right. Two local doctors who have helped people's lives are both here today. Dr. Amanda Bacchus-Morris and Dr. Gerald Morris. Great to have you back.
Thank you.
Nice
Thank
you for having
to
us,
see you
guys.
again. I want to talk about the method in terms of weight loss in just a few minutes, but let's start off and talk about AMG Medical and what you do for people who aren't familiar with your practice.
All right, once again, thank you guys for having us back. AMG Medical is a primary care facility that my wife and I run, Dr. Bacchus. We run together, and we are patient-centered, patient-focused. We believe in more of a team approach to health. So we're not one to just prescribe and say, just take this and you'll be fine. Mm-hmm. We want people to be engaged in their healthcare because you get the best results that way. When you understand what we're doing in terms of the plan, we get better results.
Yeah, and you get more motivated, I would think, too.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. And you involve the patient.
Yes.
Absolutely.
And I think
Yes.
that you would say it's the future of medicine, right?
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And you get involved with the community in so many different ways, one of which is the Women's Expo, right? So let's talk about what people can see out there when they go visit you.
So the Women's Expo is going to be this week. It's actually going to be on November 7th, 6 p.m. at the Aloft Hotel. And that's where we're going to be unveiling a lot of new things that we're going to be offering at the practice.
Yeah. We'll be talking about the sculpture that we did talk about in the last segment. That's the warm sculpting that creates permanent fat destruction and sculpting of the various body parts, including the chin or the submental area, and a whole new set of new treatments that we'll be offering. Just promoting now. Yes.
Everybody's heard of cool sculpting. I had never heard of warm sculpting. You mentioned that last time.
Yeah.
So talk about the difference.
Okay, so the warm sculpting is using warm energy that heats up the fat cells under the skin. That's what it targets, and creates destruction of the fat cells. You need two treatments, about 4 to 6 weeks apart, and it creates up to 24% of fat destruction in one area with those two treatments. So it's very exciting.
It is exciting, and I mean, a lot of people have those stubborn areas of fat, right? Even if you're dieting, even if you're working out, there's always going to be maybe those little pockets that you just can't seem to bust, and so this kind of can gap that for people, right?
Oh yeah, it can. I mean, and for those who are, have the genes where, my mom had these, so I have these too. This is where this can come into play. So being physically fit, staying active will also help give you the results you need.
And what are some of the reactions you get from people who see the results?
Oh, well, the few clients we've had, they love it. They love especially the submental, the one for the chin. They get rid of the quote-unquote double chin. So they like the profile that they get in their pictures now.
Yeah.
So
it makes you look so much
sculpts.
younger.
It does.
It's pretty drastic.
Yeah, it
It
sculpts
does.
the whole
It does.
face.
Yeah.
It actually makes you look younger as well.
And it's so much less invasive than other ways of treating that area, right?
Absolutely.
We've seen injections of different types, which take a lot maybe to cure, to heal back up. But this really, the downtime,
There's
I
no
imagine,
downtime
there is no
at
downtime.
all.
None.
At all. No downtime. Yeah, absolutely.
Can you talk about some of the new treatments that you'll be explaining at the expo?
Oh, absolutely.
Or is it a little bit of a surprise?
No. We'll give you a little teaser, and then you
Okay.
have to come out to find out more about it. So yes, we have new treatments that we'll be offering. New PRP treatments. PRP is platelet-rich plasma, and I'll talk about some of them. You probably heard about them. How we extract this PRP is actually from your own blood. So our clients will come in, we'll draw their blood, we'll spin it down in a special way so that we extract the red blood cells from this liquid that looks like liquid gold is what we call it, rich in platelets, and it has lots of healing properties, anti-aging properties, and when applied or injected in specific areas. So we'll be talking about vampire facials, vampire facelift. The vampire facial is using microneedling in the face. Very tiny needles create little areas, and then we put that PRP plasma on. Helps to create healing, encourage collagen formation, youthful look, helps with the pigmented areas. The vampire facelift is using very specialized way of injecting fillers and PRP into different areas of the face to promote fullness, lifting. And we'll be talking about some sexual health treatments as well. The O-shot, which is PRP injected into specific areas to help with libido, enhance intimacy, helps with urinary incontinence. So it's a very exciting one that I'm sure a lot of people have heard about and looking for. And there will also be coupling that with our radiofrequency treatment, which is a device that it's intravaginal, and it helps to warm up the area, increase collagen formation, all of the above as well.
Yeah, A to Z.
Lots of stuff.
You can change a life.
Yeah, we're going into the holidays,
So
which
much.
means
Yes.
that we need to start
Exactly.
thinking about these things because we'll be seeing our friends and our family. We want to feel and look our best. So we're going to
Yes.
point them your way. Thanks as always for being here. Nice to see you.
Thank you, guys.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
The Women's Expo will be at the Aloft Hotel this Saturday. For more info on that event and other services, visit amgmedicaltucson.com or call 520-600-8558.